I'm gonna start off by applying a sunblock on our face. This has an SPF of 50. This not only helps in preventing our face from the sun, but also acts as a primer to our BB cream or foundation. Since she doesn't have much to cover, just a few darkness under the eyes, some redness over the nose, no blemishes, lucky girl! So I'm just gonna use a BB cream today. Put it all over her face. I'm using the Expert brush from Real Techniques. I love this brush. It helps your foundations, your BB creams blend so beautifully. You could also use this to apply your primers, your sunblocks, and all. Maybe you could also use this to apply your moisturizer too. So just blend, blend, blend until everything is blended. Time for eyebrows. It's really important to fill in your brows. It really does helps in framing your face. So girls, don't ever forget to fill in your brows when doing your makeup. Right now I'm just filling in the gaps on her brows. She has fairly nice brows. I'm just reshaping it a little so that it blends with her eye makeup later. I always put on eyeshadow primer first every time I do my eye makeup. It really does helps your eyeshadow last longer and does not crease. I'm putting a cream shadow just to wash all over the eyelids to prepare the eyes for the next eyeshadow we'll be using. Here I'm using the half-baked eyeshadow from the Naked Palette Original. Any gold eyeshadow will do. If you have that gold eyeshadow, that will work too. Here I'm putting some dark chocolate eyeshadows at the outer V of her eyes. Since she has a pretty rounded eyes, this helps give the illusion of having that pretty elongated eyes, like the cat eye effect. Adding more gold shadows on the lids and also to the tear duct area to really make the eyes look brighter. I'm gonna be doing a medium winged eyeliner to really give the illusion of having a very beautiful elongated eyes. Don't forget to tightline your eyes. Just make sure you use a waterproof pencil so that you won't be having panda eyes later on. And also don't forget to apply your favorite mascaras.
I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win.
Here I'm using a heated eyelash curler since it's a little less intimidating compared to a regular eyelash curler. Most of the people get intimidated with the regular eyelash curler because it pulls out their lashes or it hurts, and also heated eyelash curler keeps your curls stay put all day long. So I love it. I recommend it. Makeup for me is never complete without putting those sexy flirty eyelashes. This really helps your makeup look super pulled off. It makes your eyes stand out more. I really love lashes though.
We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved, love, love, love.
Here I'm gonna do some highlighting and a little cleaning so as just to make that eye makeup pop more beautifully. I'm gonna give her a little contouring on the nose just to make the nose look a little taller. I'm not gonna be doing a face contour. It would be too much for daylight, for daytime makeup, since this makeup is a wearable makeup. One of my favorite makeup routine, blushes, you know, just to give that brighter face look. Lastly, don't forget the lips. I know this is very red. You may think it would be way too off, but since she requested a red lips, so we're doing red lips.
To try to see it clearer, but my breath fogged up the glass, and so I drew a new face and I laughed. I guess what I'll be saying is there ain't no better reason.
I'm using a regular eyelash curler just to bind her own lashes with the fake lashes, just to give that seamless look, just like her own lashes. Next, I'm gonna simply curl her hair, and I'm just gonna fast forward this video.
I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find that the sky is yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need here to complicate, 'cause our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours.